Crypto Insane back again with another video. But before I start, I'm not a financial advisor, financial dependent or financial consultant. The information I display in my videos are for informational purposes. This is my journey. Anything you decide should be based on your own research. Okay guys, just a quick video on something I want to show you because I generally use Bitfinex quite a lot for margin trading and things like that. But what I want to show you is you can actually do some funding on here. I believe there's other platforms doing the same thing now. I believe Binance has recently come up with funding in whereby you can fund your crypto to receive interest or fiat. So in my case, I am actually doing this with USD. So the way it works, if you use Bitfinex, you will need to have some funds in your funding wallet, whether it be in crypto or fiat or tether, and you could actually lend this out to people that borrow it, and you get interest. You know, this is how the system works, the ecosystem works on Bitfinex. So what I want to do is right now, as I will quickly show you a report of some of the funding earnings that I have received in the last 2 weeks. So as you can see here, I have funded and lent out some of my USD and returning this daily, which is not bad. So this is the credit. So you know, if you add this up every day, it's a good thing really, because I do trading on Bitfinex. This clearly helps with some of the fees. I don't really need to worry about fees and things like that, because this, you know, funding wallet payment kind of contributes to that. So yeah, you can run a lot of reports on things here. You know, you got funding earnings, margin, funding credits, funding loans. But as you can see, we go to funding. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly show you how to fund some of the crypto or fiat that I have. So in this case, I have $1,000 in the funding wallet. So I will go to funding at the top, then go to USD, and these below here are the funding rates that are on offer. As you can see, these are the rates, the total amount, and the PER is how much days you want to fund for, so lend out for. So normally I just do it for 2 days, but you can do it for longer. I mean, bear in mind, when you select a rate, it may get partially filled. You may not get all of the funding available to you, and also you may not get it at all. But usually if you're picking a rate near the top, it should be fine. So what I do, I'm going to fund 1,000 USD for, as you can see, for 2 days, right? And the rate I will select is one of these rates here, so 0.13400. So that's the rate you should get daily. As you can see, it goes into there. So what I will do, I will offer this to people that want to you know, borrow. So that's the whole point of this. So I offer it. 1 second there, you need to put 1,000 US in there, US offer. As you can see, we've created a funding offer of 1,000 USD. So what it does here, it creates the bids and offer. As you can see here, I've offered 1,000 at that price there, and once it's done and accepted, you'll get a little prompt, and basically, yeah, your funding will start for 2 days. So that's how you fund on here. Offer, obviously you've got the bid, which is the opposite. So what I'll do normally is I will do this and check it every day from the report section, and to see what I have earned. I mean, you don't always get back the exact amount of interest. It just depends on the fluctuations of the market. But yeah, this is something some people may not know about. You can do this with your crypto. You can find out Litecoin, Bitcoin, and any other crypto on here that offers us the funding. So yeah, guys, that's just a video on funding on Bitfinex. Take it easy, and I'll make some more videos. Peace.